This morning mistake is killing your focus. A few weeks ago, I woke up feeling strangely tired. Not physically tired, mentally tired. My body had rested, but my mind felt noisy, scattered, already behind. And the strange thing was, the day hadn't even started yet. I noticed something else too. No matter how hard I tried, I couldn't focus that morning. Simple tasks felt heavy. My attention kept slipping away. That's when I realized something important. The problem didn't begin at work. It didn't begin with stress. It began in the first few minutes after waking up. And most people make the same mistake without ever noticing it. Let me explain. The human brain is extremely sensitive in the first hour after waking. Think of it like wet cement. Whatever touches it first leaves an imprint. And for most people, the first thing that touches it is a phone, notifications, messages, news, other people's urgency. Before your brain has time to orient itself, it's already reacting. What happens next is subtle but powerful. Your nervous system shifts into defense mode. Your attention fragments, and focus becomes something you chase instead of something you enter. Here's the part most people don't realize. Once the brain starts the day in reaction, it struggles to return to calm. That morning, I decided to try something different. Not a routine, not discipline, just one small change. I delayed input. When I woke up, I didn't reach for my phone. I sat up, I took a slow breath, and I let myself arrive. At first, it felt uncomfortable, almost boring. But then something interesting happened. My thoughts slowed. My body relaxed. And for the first time in days, my mind felt present. That's when I understood the real issue. Focus isn't built by forcing attention. It's built by protecting the moment before attention is taken. Here's what actually helps. When you wake up, protect the first 10 minutes. No information, no scrolling, no reacting. Instead, light. Open the curtains. Let daylight reach your eyes. Light tells your brain, you're safe. It's time to wake up calmly. Then movement. Nothing intense. Just enough to tell your body that it belongs here. A stretch, a breath, a few slow steps. This sequence does something powerful. It teaches your nervous system that the day begins with control, not urgency. Only after this should you invite the world in. Messages, work, responsibilities. When you start your day this way, focus doesn't need to be hunted. It returns naturally. Clarity feels quieter. Decisions feel lighter. Your attention stays with you. If your mornings have felt rushed, foggy, or scattered lately, this may be why. And the good news is, it doesn't require more effort, just a gentler beginning. If this helped you slow down, take one breath and subscribe. We're learning to protect our focus by changing how our days begin.